Using fill flash is a great way to add some extra pop to your photos. I know many photographers struggle to make good use of their flash, so they just don't bother with it. Flash does add some extra complexity to your photography experience, but when you know how to use it, you'll love the results. And this video is about fill flash, and using your flash in the daytime when there's plenty of light around doesn't seem to make much sense. But flash can be used for more than just taking photos in the dark. Even in bright sunshine, using flash can improve your photos. When your subject has dark shadows caused by bright sunshine, popping in a little flash can reduce the intensity and the depth of these shadows. This makes your subject more evenly lit. The key thing when using fill flash is to control both the camera settings and the flash settings to get the results that you want. Managing the balance between the light sources is vital. Adding about the same amount of flash as there is ambient light makes for a balanced exposure. If you add too much or too little flash, you run the risk of either underexposing or overexposing your photos, so you've got to get that balance right. To balance the flash with the ambient light, I make a light reading with my camera's exposure meter. Then I adjust my flash settings to add just the right amount of light to capture the look I want. And whenever I can, I use some sort of diffuser to make the light softer, whether it's the little clip-on diffuser that comes with the flash or a larger softbox that I enjoy. The small diffuser's not going to have such a good diffusion effect because it's so small. Adding a larger softbox does make your flash a little bit more cumbersome, but it improves the quality of light dramatically. One of the best ways to learn how to use your flash is to study it a little and then practice. The more you practice using the flash on different subjects and in different situations, both in the daytime and at nighttime, you'll get more used to it and you'll get more confident with it. When you're confident to use your flash, you'll be able to get the results that you want, and you'll notice a real difference whether you're illuminating a subject in a dark area or getting rid of those nasty shadows that can occur when you're working in bright lighting situations. If you've not experimented much with flash, it can be pretty challenging, but if you'd like to learn more, check out our 365 Days of Photography course where I teach quite a lot about using fill flash. There's a link in the description below for this and for an article on our website that's all about fill flash. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, if you've learned something new, please click that like button. And if you're new to our channel, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can stay up to date every time we release new videos. Thanks for watching.